Welcome to JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited. JTEKT Electronics India Private Limited, formerly known as Koyo Electronics India Private Limited, is a subsidiary company of JTEKT Electronics Corporation, Japan, established in September 2007 providing software services including smart factory solutions in India and overseas. As a member of the globally renowned JTEKT Group, JTEKT Electronics Japan specializes in the development and manufacturing of high-quality mechanical, electromechanical and electronics equipment for the process industry. With a robust international footprint, JTEKT Electronics Japan also has subsidiaries in Japan, USA, China and Taiwan for product development, manufacturing and sales. The organization proudly operates under the umbrella of the Toyota Group, upholding the highest standards of excellence, quality and reliability. Introducing JTEKT SMART STUDIO, which ensures smart monitoring for smarter factories. JTEKT SMART STUDIO, a high-performance SCADA product designed for high-reliability environments like automotive manufacturing and precision machining, delivering real-time monitoring, control, data-driven decisions and easy-to-learn interface. Core features of JTEKT SMART STUDIO are real-time equipment monitoring, alarms and notifications for immediate response, data logging and trend reports for process analysis, seamless integration with serial and Ethernet communication, compatible with all major PLCs, VFDs, and third-party devices, Siemens, Omron, Mitsubishi, Yaskawa, JTEKT. Supports multiple protocols. Interoperable with MES, ERP, and IoT platforms. Database connectivity with SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB. Live dashboards and scheduled reporting. Real-time and historical data logging for full traceability. Scalable architecture for integration across JTEKT's smart factory ecosystem. The SCADA system architecture includes field devices like energy meters, RTDs, controllers, VFDs, and control valves, all connected to PLCs. These PLCs collect data and send it to the central SCADA server. The SCADA system handles real-time communication, generates reports, and stores data in local or cloud databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. This data is shown on dashboards and client screens, whether on a PC or tablet, making it easy to monitor and control everything remotely. This system supports a wide range of PLCs: JTEKT, Mitsubishi Electric, Omron, Panasonic, Yaskawa, Keyence, Modbus, Siemens, Allen Bradley, Yaskawa, Innovance. Protocols include both serial and Ethernet options, ensuring smooth integration across different platforms. Company offers Mac-based and USB dongle licenses. Licenses are ranging from 100 to 5,000 tags, including an unlimited option to suit various project requirements. Benefits of JTEKT SMART STUDIO are real-time visibility into machine and process performance, faster issue response through instant alarms and alerts, data-driven decisions with built-in reports and trend analysis, remote access for monitoring and control from anywhere, easy integration with any PLC, VFD, or third-party system, seamless communication using standard industrial protocols. Centralized stored reports can be used as a backbone for multiple solutions. Improved quality compliance through real-time logging. Enterprise-level connectivity with MES, ERP, and IoT platforms. This solution is versatile and used across many industries. From automotive, power, and oil and gas, to machine manufacturing and the paper industry. It supports HVAC systems, food production, hydroelectric, and chemical industries. You'll also find it in glass plants, STP and ETP plants, and the durable goods sector. Its flexibility makes it suitable for many other applications as well. At JTEKT Electronics India, we offer end-to-end solutions to empower smart manufacturing. Our smart factory solutions include systems like eKanban, Andan, eKYT, traceability, and energy monitoring, designed to optimize shop floor efficiency and visibility. Under software services, we specialize in application and firmware development, embedded systems, web technologies, and data analytics, ensuring seamless digital transformation. We also provide factory automation products such as PLCs, HMIs, SCADA, encoders, sensors, and timer, offering reliability and control at every level of your operations. JTEKT Electronics combines Japanese engineering excellence with competitive pricing. Our seamless installation ensures minimal downtime, while our reliable after-sales support keeps your operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact JTEKT Electronics today.